Hey, what's up guys, Cesar here. Today we're here at Supreme Barber Supply and we have an awesome video ready for you guys. We are going to be going through the whole gold Babyliss collection. It is a collection that is really tough to find, mostly out of stock, huge demand for it. So we're going to be doing an unboxing for the whole gold Babyliss collection. One item's always going to be out of stock, and for us it's usually the gold skeletons. Those are always out of stock. We're pretty fortunate enough to have it in stock today to show you guys in this video. Make sure to check us out at supremebarbersupply.com. My wife has been working so hard on making it super aesthetically pleasing, professional, and just up to date for you guys. So make sure to go check it out. Guys, let's get into this unboxing of the gold Babyliss collection. I'm gonna show you guys not only what the box comes with, but what blades also fit on it as well. So this is gonna be super fun. A lot of the questions I get is, does this blade fit this specific clipper? Does this blade fit this specific trimmer? And so on. So we're gonna answer all those questions right here. So let's start off with the Babyliss Gold FX clipper on this gold collection. So as a lot of you guys know, this clipper's been out for a good minute now. It's a beautiful clipper. It's gold. Everybody loves gold. It's either you love gold, you love chrome. Everybody has a colorway. So I think it's awesome how Babyliss came out with this colorway. The all gold. It looks like a gold brick. Feels like $1,000,000 when you cut with these bad boys, simply because it's a beautiful clipper. Comes with few other things, like, let's check it out. Comes with its own set of guards, 0.5 all the way to the 6, I believe. Yes sir, 0.5 with the 1.5. These aren't in any way like premium guards like you would get with the walls or like the double magnetic. So these, I'd say, are pretty, you know, basic guards, plastic guards. And the great thing though is that wall guards fit on these clippers, so that's a great thing. Of course, it comes with its own charger as well. That's a must, right? Whenever you buy clippers. Also comes with its own little screwdriver, a blade protector, oil, and a little brush. So that's pretty much everything that comes with this bad boy right here. Actually, if you remove this little cardboard box, it comes with a badass sticker like this of its own thing. This is freaking sick. Almost actual size. And also, of course, the warranty. Here are the blades that fit this one. Of course, we're gonna have to show you guys the blade that it comes with its stock, which is a gold tapered blade. And if you guys don't know what tapered is, it's pretty much curved blade. It's not flat like a fade blade would be. And when it comes to barbering, there's a lot of people who either like fade blades or taper blades. The only way to find out which one you like is to obviously try it. So a replacement blade for that would be this one right here, FX802. That's the one that comes stock with this. But you can always try different blades out, guys. Yes, different blades fit on it, on pretty much all the colorway. Even the new, they're all the same clipper, guys. You just gotta buy different blades. Like, for example, the FX803B. This is a replacement graphite taper blade, which is pretty much the same thing as a gold one, but this is just a graphite blade. It comes in black. It's tapered as well. It's curved, and it also fits on this. So if you guys like that gold black combo, this will definitely be for you. Another blade that fits on it is the fade blade. This is the FX8010B, which is a graphite fade blade, and it looks as such. And like I told you guys, there's two different type of barbers, either like the fade blade or the taper blade. And if that's for you, then perfect. Babyliss just catered to both parties, which is awesome. And like I said, guys, all these blades right here, they all fit this clipper right here. These are all fitted. So these bad boys, I remember when they first came out, these were super hard to get. They were always out of stock. Babyliss, when they launched it, it took a while for them to put it out there, so it was really almost rare to get these bad boys. So let's do it. Let's see what it comes with. Up to date, these are still kind of hard to get, to be honest. So this is a beautiful trimmer right here. This is, if you guys did not know, out of all the trimmers, this is the only one that comes with pretty much a unique blade, which is pretty much an ultra thin blade. If you guys get the other trimmers, you guys will be getting either a 2.0 blade, pretty much a 2.0 blade. All the other trimmers, they come with a 2.0 blade. All the boxes for Babyliss are pretty much very similar. Sometimes I feel like they're hard to take out. A lot of the times it's hard to put them back in, but there is a way to do it. You guys already know the dealio. It comes with its little blade holder, like a guard, but for the blade. That way you don't chip your blades when you have them in your backpack, tool set, whatever it is. It comes with the screwdriver. Comes with oil, little Babyliss oil. It's pretty cool. I'm not sure you guys can see all that stuff. There you go. It comes with the blade adjuster. That way you can zero gap it. A little tool set right there just to zero gap it, which is awesome. You don't have to remove the blade to zero gap it. Obviously, it comes with its charger as well. Comes with this little warranty manual right here as well. And this one came with 2 stickers instead of 1. So these are the ones they came with. Pretty epic. More stickers for your foam mirrors. So that's pretty much the Gold FX trimmer. And like I told you guys, these things are super hard to put on. But like I said, there is a way. I believe you put it in like this and just shove it inside.
A few moments later.
Oh no, we'll figure that out later. So one of the most common questions I get with this gold trimmer is, what's the difference between the blades? Can I put a different blade on it? Does it work with different blades? Pretty much, what's the difference on it? So like I told you guys, this one comes with pretty much an very thin blade, and it's the only one of its kind which it comes with a very ultra thin blade. This right here is called the ultra thin zero gap replacement blade, which I'm assuming is going to be the one that comes with the gold trimmer. It's the only one with this blade. Super thin. This ultra thin blade right here is perfect for edging. Yes, you can bulk. You'll see a lot of barbers bulking out with them like crazy, but a lot of the reviews and from my personal experiences, when it comes to thinner blades, you're gonna pull a lot. It's gonna get stuck on pores simply for the fact that it's a lot thinner than usual. So I would strictly advise you guys just to use these, if it works better for you, to just for edge ups. That's what I tell all my clients, my customers, is just use the thinner ones for edge ups. You have a machine strictly for edging, then this will be it. This is all you'll need. It's the monster for edging. Next would be the standard blade. I do not have that one in stock right now. I believe I have it at home. I did not bring it with me, but standard blade would be the sweet spot between the ultra thin blade and a 2.0 blade. I have yet to hear a lot of reviews from it, so I wouldn't be able to tell you much about it. That's all I know. Another blade that would fit on this Gold FX skeleton would be the 2.0 graphite blade right here. This one comes with standard it comes with the silver trimmer, and it also comes with the Stay Gold Sulfie blackout trimmers. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. I haven't even opened one myself. This is the Vibe FX, the gold one that just recently came out. So let's do this. I wonder if this one comes with stickers too. All the other ones have been coming with badass stickers. So straight out the bat, we're gonna just take it out like this. A little baggie falls out. because I'm assuming if you guys ever want to carry your little massager around, this is the cool little bag it comes with. Comes with its charger, obviously. This thing is freaking like a little jellyfish looking. Ooh, it's so freaking nice. See that? And obviously the back right there. And then the buttons. This is a 2-speeder. It's a high, low, and then off. And then it has I'm assuming it shows you a battery indication as well. Can you guys see it? Yes, you guys can. So this thing looks freaking dope. This is the way you put them on, just like that. I do recommend this for you guys, simply for the fact that you guys gotta if you guys want to charge more, you gotta do more. And the only way to do that is to add services to your client. So, ooh. I turned it on. The little blue light's on right there. I know it may be a little awkward at first for your clients and stuff, but this is amazing. They may not say it, but they'll love this. So this is the low setting. It's not too harsh. And then you got the high setting, which is a little bit more intense. I personally like it, as you guys can see. Vibe effects right there, guys. What else does it come with? It hopefully comes with a badass sticker. That's what I'm hoping for too. Oh, it does not come with the sticker. No sticker here. But most importantly, it does come with the manual. Oh, actually, there's a sticker right here. Woo! It's right here. But no picture of the Vibe effects, which is weird. Maybe it's in here somewhere. This is the only one that comes with no sticker. Alright, now moving on to the last piece of the gold collection. It is going to be, yes, you guessed it, these gold shavers that is pretty much hard to get. These, I personally use these myself. They are incredible. Probably the best box shavers, oil shavers that are out in the market currently. As usual, the little baggie comes out, the manual, and hopefully some stickers. Oh yes, I see the stickers. Well, we're gonna go through what it comes with first. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Another charger, the shaver itself. The only thing that sucks about touching these bad boys is it gets really dirty quick. Like it literally looks like a gold brick. Look at this bad boy, so shiny. Oh, I'm about to blind all you guys right now. The weight is solid. It's a lot heavier than the Andis shavers and the wall shavers. Pretty much what you guys are used to. I'm telling you guys, it's beautiful. And of course, like I told you guys before, the stickers. This is freaking sick. I don't think no other company does that. Now, with the gold shavers, it is really, honestly, it's super hard to find the replacement blades. I don't think, I've only had the item in stock maybe twice. And the maximum I could always get is like 3 pieces, 6 pieces maybe for the gold ones. The chrome ones are so much easier to find, which is this, the replacement head. And what is cool about it though, it already comes with the cutters on the bottom as well. You just don't only get the top replacement piece, but you also get the 2 cutters that go underneath as well. So I think that's pretty awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this, pretty much this gold collection. What do you guys like? What's your arsenal look like? I would like gold, but personally for me it's a little too bougie. So I'm more of a matte black, everything pretty much black type of collection for myself is what I would like, is an all matte black. What kind of collection do you guys like? Do you guys mess with Babyliss? What's your favorite brand? What's your favorite colorway? What's your feedback for each one here? What do you use the clipper for? Obviously cutting hair, but do you like this specific clipper, this trimmer, the blade? What blade do you use on it? Have you guys used this in your services? Has it helped you guys out with tips? And what do you guys think about these badass shavers? So that is pretty much it. A little bit of unboxing of each product here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can find me at IamCesar Q on Instagram. or you guys can check us out at Supreme Barber Supply as well. We have a new website up, supremebarbersupply.com. Our Instagram is Supreme Barber Supply, and you guys can always ask us any questions in the comment section as well. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys want to see a different colorway, a different color collection, let me know, and we'll definitely make it happen. Peace out, guys.